In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide filters in Notion. This is a super simple but very useful trick, especially if you're building dashboards, habit trackers, or shared databases, and you don't want filters constantly visible or cluttering the interface. This method works with Notion databases and views, and it doesn't require any advanced settings or paid features. If you're trying to keep your Notion workspace clean and more user-friendly, this is definitely something you'll want to know. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the dashboard or page where your database is located. This could be a habit tracker, task manager, content calendar, or any other database you're working with. Make sure you're viewing the database in the view where you want the filters to be hidden. Once you're on the correct page, look at the top right area of your database view and click on Filters. This opens the filter menu where all your existing filters are displayed. Now here's the key trick. To hide the filters, Notion requires that there be no active filters in the view. If you currently have filters applied, they will always remain visible. To remove them from view completely, you need to add a temporary filter and then delete it. Inside the Filters panel, click on Add a Filter. You can choose any property at all. It doesn't matter which one. For example, you can select a random property and set a basic condition. Once the filter is added, immediately click on the filter you just created and select Delete. This removes the filter entirely. When there are no active filters left in the view, Notion automatically hides the Filters option from the database view. At this point, the filters are no longer visible, and your database looks much cleaner. This is especially helpful when you're sharing dashboards with others or embedding databases where you don't want viewers to see or interact with filters. If you ever need the filters again, you can simply click on the three dots in the database view options and re-add filters at any time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully hidden filters in Notion using this simple workaround. If this tutorial saved you time or helped clean up your workspace, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, productivity workflows, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.